the YouTube channel, Python Tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss a Python program in strings. Strings program. Program name is write a program to find number of vowels present in a given string. To count vowels in a given string. Write a program to find the number of vowels present in a given string. That is the program. Clear? Everyone? Right. First of all, in this program, first enter one string and then to find the vowels. What are the vowels are available? What is vowel? Vowel means vowels are A, E, I, O, U's. Either small letter or capital letter. A, E, I, O, U's. A, E, I, O, U. These are called as a vowels. How do you know what is vowel? What are the vowels? The total vowels are 5 vowels, either small, lowercase or uppercase. These are the vowels. Clear? And the next one, the first one to read the value. First one to read the value string from the keyboard. First to read any string value, str equal to input of enter any string. First, this is the input from the keyboard, and then to find the number of vowels. For example, your string is for example, your string is Ram. For example, the string is Ram. Here the number of vowels equal to the A, E, I, O. The number of vowels equal to only one. Here the number of vowels equal to only one vowel. For example, your string is for example Srinivas. The number of vowels equal to A, E, I, O, U. I and A. Here the number of vowels equal to 3. And to find the given string, number of vowels in a string. Okay, first enter the string value. Here to count value. Count the number of vowels. Now the count value equal to 0. Initially the count value equal to 0. And here for loop for I in str. Each and every value, character value, one by one value. If I value I equal to A, or I value equal to AE, or I value equal to AEI, or I value equal to O, or I value equal to U. Only small letters. Or I value, check the condition, capital letters also. Or I value equal to capital A value, or I value equal to capital E, or I value comparing capital I, or I value equal to capital O, or I value equal to capital U. Compare the values by using the capital value. Here by using the line continuation. In line continuation, general English language underscore, but the here line continuation is the exclamation and colon, and the end of the if statement. If the count value equal to count plus 1. If A, I, O, use, the given I value is either A or E or O, I or O or U, any one value, the count value is increasing by 1. After completing checking number of vowels equal to count. This is a program for to count the number of vowels in a given string. To count or to find to count number of vowels. Write a program to count number of vowels in a given string. That's a program, right? And the module. First to enter the value, any string value. The string value is, for example, Ram. String value. Here, the number of vowels equal to only one vowel. Run the module one more time, and the number of vowels equal to, for example, Srinivas. Okay, clear? Here, the number of vowels equal to 3. Again, run the module once again. Here, the number of vowels equal to, for example, Python. The number of vowel is only one vowel, that is O. Okay, guys, clear up to here? Find the number of vowels in a given string. Any string, you can enter any string to find the number of vowels. For example, if you want to enter the string is one letter is small letter, one letter is capital letter. For example, hello. Okay, and values capital letters. Hello. Okay, you want to enter the values in capital letters. Here the number of vowels equal to one vowel is E and one vowel is O. Okay guys, up to here clear? Thanks for watching this video.